Hey y'all, I'm Kelly, registered dental hygienist and burst ambassador. I've been in the dental profession for 15 years now. I've always been one to try the latest products and try to stay up to date on all the best oral care products so that way I have the best and most accurate information and the newest stuff to be able to give to my patients, friends, and family. So today I wanted to tell you guys all about the Burst toothbrush and also fill you in on why it's important to be using a sonic toothbrush and how it can be beneficial to you. So I first tried the Burst toothbrush, I believe it was July of 2018, and I've been so pleased with it. I've been recommending them ever since. In my personal opinion, Burst has made the highest quality toothbrush on the market, and it also happens to be one of the most powerful and the most affordable. So to me, it's a win-win. Before I go into details about the Burst brush, I just wanted to share a few reasons why a sonic toothbrush can be beneficial. So number one, electric toothbrushes are generally easier to use because they're less technique sensitive. They do most of the work for you. You can get up to 66,000 strokes with the Burst toothbrush, whereas if you were using a regular toothbrush, you would get maximum maybe 300 strokes. The Burst brush does a lot of that extra work for you. So number two, electric toothbrushes are generally safer for your teeth because you usually don't typically brush as hard as you would if you were just brushing with a regular toothbrush. So that is in turn less damaging to your gums and teeth. If you brush too hard, it can cause recession, but the bristles on the Burst brush are really soft, so you're not likely to have any trouble. Number three, sonic electric toothbrushes have high-powered sonic vibrations that can actually clean areas further than even what the toothbrush bristles are touching. Studies have shown that these vibrations can have an effect up to 5 millimeters past the bristles. This is due to their extra fast sonic vibrations forcing saliva, water, and toothpaste all around the mouth in those hard-to-reach areas. So this helps flush and irrigate gum pockets, and it results in healthier gums and teeth. Number four, sonic vibrations can actually disrupt bacterial colonies and kill harmful bacteria. Studies have shown that sonic brushes can actually kill and destroy the cell wall of bacteria and their ability to attach to the teeth. The Burst toothbrush has some really amazing and unique features that really make it stand out. I personally believe that this is the best toothbrush on the market, and it happens to be one of the most affordable. My teeth always feel like I just left the dentist. So today I'm going to show you guys all about the Burst toothbrush and all of its amazing features. Burst has made all of their toothbrushes really sleek and modern. They come in black, white, or rose gold. If you look here, you might notice that the bristles are actually black. They are black because they are coated in benzotan charcoal. So the charcoal particle size is really small, so don't worry about it being abrasive. So it just provides the benefit of the charcoal. So it can help naturally whiten your teeth. It's antibacterial. It can help prevent stains and remove stains. Okay, so here are our three Burst brushes. We have black, white, and rose gold. And you can see how beautiful they are. And I will show you up close. Let's see. The bristles, you can see how they're individually tapered. Every single bristle is tapered on here. And you can see that they have multiple layers and links to them. And so that's great for getting in the small pits and grooves of the teeth. And the small head design is really good for getting behind the back of those front teeth where a lot of people tend to build up faster. And it's also good for getting in those small, crowded, hard to reach areas or behind those back molars. So here you can see it in action. The bristles are super soft and they're really thin. So you can see how well that would sweep up under the gum line and get in those tiny, hard to reach areas. Just imagine how good that cleans your teeth. And the small toothbrush head is really compact, so it's really good for adults and children to use. Notice that there is only one button. This makes it simple for anyone to use, children, adults, elderly. It's also very lightweight, and so it's easy for anyone to hold, and it has this nice grip. So your first mode, that's whitening. That's your 33,000 sonic vibrations per minute, which I believe at the time of this video is the most powerful sonic electric toothbrush that's available. The middle mode is sensitive mode, which is great for if you're just starting out or if you've never used an electric toothbrush before. I always recommend starting out with this mode just to get used to it. And then when you are used to it, then you can move up if you would like. So my favorite mode is the bottom mode, that is gum massage. And this goes at the same speed as whitening mode, but it also incorporates a gum massage. It's got a little vibration to it, so it can massage any sore areas in your mouth and also stimulate gum health, which is really good for your gums. So this mode to me is like the best of both worlds. The burst brush has also a very long battery life, and it has this really cool USB charger. And you just sit the brush right here like this and charge it, and it should last you 4 weeks. So it's great for traveling, and it only takes about an hour to charge it. It comes already charged when you buy it, and I think I've had my brush for 8 months now, and I think I've charged it maybe 3 times. So that is very convenient, and you can also get this really cool, this cute little magnetic travel case, and that's perfect for traveling, and it just fits the brush and the brush head because you don't need to carry your charger. And when your toothbrush is ready to be charged, when it's time to charge, you will see the little bottom plus sign will turn red, and that's when you know to charge it. The brush has a 2-minute timer, which is the recommended time that you should be brushing your teeth to be able to get them adequately clean. The brush also pulses every 30 seconds to let you know to move to a different side of your mouth. So this ensures that you're brushing everywhere evenly and for the correct amount of time. The great thing about sonic toothbrushes is that they do all the work for you. You just point it 45 degrees at your gum line, and you slowly move it around and just let the soft bristles do all the work for you. When you buy the toothbrush, you will be subscribed, and Burst will conveniently send your new brush heads to your house every 3 months for only $6 for the black and white, $7 for the rose gold. No more having to remember to replace your brush heads and forgetting to get a new toothbrush at the store. Everything's done for you. It's super convenient, regular free shipping. So I don't know if you guys are like me, but I hate paying for shipping. So I think that's really cool that they do that. It's recommended you change your brush heads every 3 months to maintain its effectiveness at plaque removal. So they take all the guesswork out of that for you. One problem I've always had in the past with electric toothbrushes is that when it would come time for me to change out the brush head, or if I would get sick and need to change out the brush head, I would never have any extra toothbrush heads on me because those other electric toothbrushes are really expensive. And so I would always forget what make and model toothbrush I had, and then I would go to the store, I would forget it, and I would just end up grabbing a regular toothbrush. So Burst has eliminated all of the thinking for you. There's also a 90-day love-it guarantee, so if for whatever reason you find that you don't love it, you can send it back. I don't think that'll be the case, but you always have that option. Aside from its awesome charcoal bristles, my other favorite thing about this toothbrush is the lifetime warranty. So as long as you're still receiving your brush heads every 3 months and subscribe to them, then your brush should be covered. So if anything ever happens to it, then they'll replace it for you. So this is literally the last toothbrush you might ever have to buy. The black and white brushes are $39.99 with my code. That's $30 off. And the rose gold is $69.99 with my code, but it also comes with the travel case. You can get the travel case for the white and black ones as well, but the rose gold does come with it. So that's it for my Burst review. I hope you guys love this toothbrush just as much as I do. Don't forget to use my professional discount code FFERVX to save $30 on your brush today. I'll link everything below. See y'all later.